Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by launching Excel and creating a workbook so you have a canvas. Once opened, choose blank workbook or a template that matches your need. Templates save time because common layouts are pre-built. Make sure to save right away with File Save As and pick a clear file name and folder so you don't lose work. If you sign in, Auto-Save can keep versions. This matters because it prevents accidental data loss when you move between devices. You'll populate your sheet by entering headers in row 1 and values beneath. Consistent structure makes formulas work. Then use formulas like equals sum, A2, A10, or equals average, B2, B10 to compute results. Formulas reference cells so they update automatically when data changes. Apply formatting such as currency, percent, and borders to make the output readable. Conditional formatting highlights outliers. You'll finalize by reviewing formulas and using trace precedence or dependence to confirm references. This prevents hidden errors. Once satisfied, create charts via Insert Chart to visualize trends, then protect sheets or the workbook if others will edit. Export copies with File Save As or export to PDF for sharing. If something goes wrong, cells show hash value or wrong totals. Check for text in number cells, incorrect ranges, or stray spaces. Use error checking and the Evaluate Formula tool to step through calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.